Donald Trump and Elon Musk having a messy falling out could reshape the landscape of AI in profound ways. Imagine a scenario where Trump's criticism of big tech aligns him with factions opposing Musk's influence over AI giants like OpenAI and Tesla. This could lead to stricter regulations on data privacy and ethical standards, stifling innovation. Investors might split, choosing sides between Trump's policies and Musk's vision, potentially slowing down advancements in autonomous driving and brain-machine interfaces. Musk, a staunch advocate for AI safety, could find himself at odds with Trump's push for deregulation, igniting a fierce debate on AI ethics. Public perception would shift, with media outlets fueling polarization around AI development. This could erode trust in AI technologies and impact their adoption across various sectors. On a global scale, we might witness an AI Cold War, with countries rallying behind either Trump's unchecked growth or Musk's balanced approach. The stakes are high, and the future of AI hangs in the balance. One can imagine a number of different ways in which Musk might influence AI-related developments in a Trump administration. Given Musk's deeply hostile relationship with OpenAI, the new administration might take a less friendly stance toward OpenAI when engaging with industry, crafting AI regulation, awarding government contracts, and so forth. This is a real risk that OpenAI is worried about today. On the flip side, the Trump administration might preferentially favor Musk's own companies. For instance, slashing red tape to enable xAI to build data centers and get a leg up in the frontier model race, granting rapid regulatory approval for Tesla to deploy robotaxi fleets, and so forth. More fundamentally, Elon Musk, unlike many other technology leaders who have Trump's ear, takes existential AI safety risks very seriously and is therefore an advocate for significant AI regulation. He supported California's controversial SB 1047 bill, which sought to impose meaningful restrictions on AI developers. Musk's influence could thus lead to a more heavy-handed regulatory environment for AI in the US. Both Donald Trump and Elon Musk are complex, volatile, unpredictable personalities. They are not easy to work with. They burn people out. Their newfound friendship has proven mutually beneficial to this point, but it is still in its honeymoon phase. I predict that before 2025 has come to an end, the relationship will have soured. Musk's ventures, especially in AI, e.g. OpenAI, Tesla's self-driving tech, could be directly impacted if he were to lose support or face backlash. A breakdown in his relationship with Trump could also force him to reconsider his alliances and even shift strategies to avoid political and regulatory obstacles. Elon Musk has always maintained a bit of a controversial persona, so such a falling out could either push him further into the development of AI technologies or conversely lead him to focus on non-AI ventures.